here on this Just a Silly Little YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. I love the
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod.
Well, hello everyone, welcome back. It's a little warm today, but we are Never Done Projects. And here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. With that being said, this is not an accurate count. Like we said yesterday, we don't know if that's happening. Our goal here at Never Done Projects is to be happy and enjoy our 1,440 minutes of every day. My minutes were spent about half of them at work and sleeping. So we need to put on 4 tires for Jim. I come in today, I had a lot of missed calls. I was supposed to change out some tires on the Tesla. He said he got it figured out. Didn't need me to do it anymore. All right, he left it here for 2 nights. Thank you for considering us. Glad you got it figured out, buddy. But I had a text message from somebody, Chester, our neighbor, who watches the race every Sunday. Does not have a cell phone. He has a flat tire. We need to check on Chester's tire. I need to waddle over there and check on it. I need to make videos. We need to watch Daryl's premiere. And I got to change the rear end fluid for one of my in-laws in a Honda Ridgeline. And time permitting, I might put on another 4 tires. They're sitting over there. But yeah, let me figure something out. Talk to y'all soon. Remember, keep it silly.
wife today.
Let me get you a chair. A chair?
Guys my age laugh at my jokes, treat me like one of the bros. Think I'm cool, but they would never date me. 'Cause girls my age have tiny waists, skin tight denim, baby faces, dance at the bar like no one's watching. But I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. But in a couple weeks, you look at me. When I get pretty, then you'll want me. I'll be picture perfect to make you happy. I'll be dancing, center of attention, the vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty, maybe once I'm beautiful, I feel like I'm good enough. My insecurities wouldn't get the best of me. Baby, I'm out of this world, doable, your cover girl. Wouldn't have to work 'cause I get things for free. But I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. But in a couple weeks, you look at me and I get pretty, then you'll want me. I'll be picture perfect to make you happy. I'll be dancing, center of attention, vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty, when I get pretty. When I get pretty, then you want me. I'll be picture perfect to make you happy. I'll be dancing, center of attention, a vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty, then you want me. I'll be picture perfect to make you happy. And I'll be dancing, center of attention, vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty.
I got it for you.
I think it says 35.
You want a drink?
No, I'm fine.
You want a chair? He can go get you one if he ain't doing nothing else.